Hi, I'm Vaishali. Welcome to Vaishali's Tips and Treats. Today I got you a very easy recipe which is a one-pot meal. There are often times that we are tired of eating out because we've been at a wedding or been traveling, and when we come back home we don't want to eat anything ordered in or from outside. You want to eat a home-cooked meal, yet you're not in a mood of cooking. What do you do in such a situation? Here I have a recipe for you that you can easily make. Let's look at the ingredients. We need brown rice. I have soaked them for half an hour. Brown lentils. By the time this rice and dal was soaking, I have chopped carrots, beans, taken out some peas, and for the spices we'll use cumin seeds or jeera, red chili powder, haldi powder or turmeric powder. This is asafoetida or hing, clarified butter or ghee, some salt, coriander leaves for garnish, and some cashew nuts and some raisins. So we are going to make a Shahi Khichdi today. Let's see how we start. Put on the gas. We'll add 2 tablespoons of desi ghee. You can add very little desi ghee, as much as you like. So even with 1 teaspoon it is possible to make the recipe. To the warm ghee or clarified butter, I will add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of hing or asafoetida. I'll just wait for the cumin seeds to warm up a little bit. Now I'll add the carrots, the beans and the peas. We'll let it cook for a few minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, we'll add the rice. Brown rice takes a little longer to cook than regular white rice or basmati rice. So it's nicer to soak it for half an hour. Else we can just pressure it for a little longer time. So we add the rice and the lentils. Again, give it a nice mix. The vegetables are still raw, they're only partially cooked, but they will get thoroughly cooked when we pressure cook it. We now add chili powder because it's a masala khichdi. It's optional to add turmeric. You can let go of turmeric if you do not want to put it. We add some salt as per your taste. Stir it well again. We'll now add water. Close the pressure cooker. When the whistle will blow, I'm going to reduce the flame and cook it for at least 5 minutes. So we'll lower the flame now and let this cook for another 5 minutes. It is more than 5 minutes now, so I'm going to turn off the gas and let the cooker cool a little bit. Then I'll open the lid. So the cooker seems to have cooled down. Let us open and check it. The rice is nicely cooked. Serve it in the bowl. So if you like the khichdi to be softer than this, you can add some extra water. This is perfect to eat as it is, but I would like to add some desi ghee over this. If you are on a diet, you can avoid the desi ghee, But since it's a Shahi Khichdi, so we're going to add some ghee, some nuts, some raisins, a little bit of coriander leaves. So enjoy this easy one-pot meal, the Shahi Khichdi. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my Facebook page, Vaishali's Tips and Treats. Until next time, see you. Bye-bye.